Hey smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making wise purchasing decisions that keep your wallet happy and your life easy. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with a head-to-head comparison between two titans. The Congro Ender 3v2 Neo on the left and the ELEGOO Mars 4 on the right. Buckle up because this is going to be an epic showdown. Let's kick things off with the single most important factor for most of us: price. The Ender 3v2 Neo comes in at a sweet $199. That's like the price of a fancy dinner date. But this date builds stuff for you and doesn't even talk back. On the other hand, the ELEGOO Mars 4 is priced at $309. That's a whole $110 more. For that price, it better print me a 3D version of my hopes and dreams. Next up, let's talk about assembly. The Ender 3v2 Neo is practically plug and play. It's pre-installed and requires only 3 steps to set up. Even your grandma could put this together while knitting a sweater. Now, the ELEGOO Mars 4. Well, let's just say you'll need a PhD in IKEA furniture assembly. So if you enjoy reading manuals thicker than a Stephen King novel, this one's for you. Moving on to bed leveling. The Ender 3v2 Neo brings in the big guns with its CR Touch Auto Bed Leveling. It's like having a personal assistant who makes sure everything's perfect. No more fiddling around like you're trying to open a stubborn pickle jar. And ELEGOO Mars 4? Well, it's like that one friend who always says, "Don't worry, I got it," but never actually does. Manual leveling is your new hobby. Let's talk user interface. The Ender 3v2 Neo sports a 4.3-inch UI that even shows you a preview of your model. It's like having a crystal ball for your prints. Plus, it supports 9 languages. Bonjour, Guten Tag, Hola. The ELEGOO Mars 4 has a 3.5-inch touchscreen. It's smaller, but hey, size isn't everything, right? At least it comes with a progress bar, so you can watch your print crawl to the finish line. Now onto the build plate. The Ender 3v2 Neo has a PC Spring steel magnetic build plate. It sticks like glue when printing and releases your model like it's saying, "Here, take it, I'm done." The ELEGOO Mars 4 features a laser-carved build plate. Sounds fancy, right? It's like a high-tech waffle iron for your 3D prints. But is it really better? That's up for debate. The Ender 3v2 Neo comes with a silent motherboard. That's right, folks. Your printer won't sound like a jet engine taking off in your living room. Plus, it has a full metal extruder for better durability. It's like the Terminator of 3D printers. The ELEGOO Mars 4, on the other hand, has a COB UV light source, making your models look more detailed. And with a massive heat dissipation structure, it's like having a mini air conditioner just for your printer. Cool, huh? Reviewers have a lot to say about these two printers. The Congro Ender 3v2 Neo is praised for its ease of assembly, quiet operation, and overall value for money. However, some users did note a learning curve in mastering its use. On the other hand, the ELEGOO Mars 4 is lauded for its high-quality prints, especially for miniatures and models, although some users found the manual assembly and setup to be a bit challenging. So there you have it, smart shoppers. The Congro Ender 3v2 Neo and the ELEGOO Mars 4, 2 3D printers that bring a lot to the table. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly, easy-to-assemble option, or a high-resolution printer with some advanced features, the choice is yours. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, subscribe to Buy Smart for more awesome comparisons, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below to let us know which 3D printer you'd pick and why. Until next time, keep buying smart. Product links are in the description.